past Louis Vigil, and safe to say he has done a marvelous job, Coach Vic.
Yes.
As nice play, Gabo, special delivery. Play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
Scoring is not having his night. Siyempre, mas nakakadagdag ng pagod yun eh.
Sa ilalim, Chris Porter, tumabaho, nakapuntos ulit.
Iba talaga pag veterano ka na eh, no?
Eusebio. Oh, gets into the lane, nakabuelo. This was a quick move from Antonio Eusebio.
It's a very good drive by Eusebio.
Mga kapatid ng mom niya. And then that's his brother, Inigo Eusebio. Lander Cannon, relentless in the paint.
Good defensive rebound there by Cano, not giving up on his shot. Nagmintis na siya eh, no?
Tatakbo dito ang Jensen. Gabo. Whip sa pass. Eusebio. Nice pass inside. Count it plus a foul from Marwin Junicio. Play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
Yun, no? Yung extra passes talaga eh. That's what I have to give it to Jensen.
Louis Vigil fires a three. Still coming away empty. Gabo with the lead pass. Kyle Tolentino with an easy basket. Pero parang yun eh, yun na.
Oo, parang yun.
13-6 quarter for Jensen. Kaya silang lamang ng 18 puntos. Enzo Navarro will pull up from 3. Gets it to go.
That's his shot.
Switch, Nakiwag. Gabo behind the back. Porter. Similar play that they had when Chris Porter had that game-winning shot.
What a pass. Ito yun eh.
Katulad ng dagger 3-point shot ni Chris Porter. To put them up by 4 late in ganung kalalim roster nitong Jensen. Mark Cruz. Nice pass inside. Junicio wide open underneath. Sarmiento sa poste, lapat kay Junicio. Sa ilalim, pinuntahan si Cannon. Fadeaway jumper, Deo Timao, short. There to clean up the miss was Bill Sarmiento. Valacuña against Nakiwag. Antonio Eusebio knocks down the face-up jumper. 11 points and 7 rebounds for Antonio Eusebio.
Nakakatulong yun nandyan yung family niya. Inspired ball game eh.
Timaho with a trifecta. Mark Cruz behind the back pass. Acuña lets his defender fly by. Open free. That's pretty much automatic for Valacuña.
Stay in the office. Fake. There's the shot.
Kita niya, hard close out eh. Pinalipad niya muna. Tatlong tres na yan for a total of 9. Timaho nakatakas. That layup goes through.
Something in Fairview. Ricky Ilan sila. Binati niya yung kapatid ko. Coach Pau.
Si Coach Pau.
Selos nga ako. Sabi ko, si Coach Pau, binati ni Coach Mike.
Gabol sila kanina, Coach Vic. They were down by 11 earlier.
Yes, ako rin pareho tayo ng ano. It was Adi Santos who really...
De Los Santos. Bola na agaw ni Nakiwag. Still enough time. He will heave. That shot! He banks it